I was planning on going out on the town today, but I have something to show you instead. Now, like the title says, this only took me 8 days, 1 hour each day. I had it planned to be a 30-day skill, but it took so much shorter than I expected. As my grandpa says, once you start, you're finished. Here's how I tackle these skills. First, break it down into smaller pieces. These are the steps I used, which were taken from watching tutorials online. Second, at some point I have to make sure I stop researching and set up a time daily when I can really focus on this skill building. Third, do the steps in order and resist jumping ahead until you feel like you've really earned it. By day 3 in the 3rd hour, I could juggle 2 balls successfully. I didn't try adding a third until I was really ready. And fourth, consider trying to find some kind of accountability. I posted a video about gaining 11 new skills this year, and I'm not going to let you guys down with that. If you're interested in trying this for yourself, here's what I would recommend. Use your bed as a catch so you don't have to keep bending down to pick them off the floor. Especially in the first few days, this is important. The first 5 minutes were always awkward, especially with my left hand because I'm a righty. But if I pushed through those first 5 minutes, my arms then adjusted pretty quickly. Remember to breathe and take breaks to drink water. It's much more physical than I thought it would be. Good music is essential. It cuts back some of the stress from trying to focus. I tried an audiobook on the first day, but it split my focus too much between the two activities. Speaking of music, learning this skill reminds me of trying to learn a new drum beat. And if I think about it too hard, I'll mess up, but if I break it down into different physical movements, I can then let my body find the rhythm of putting those movements together. It works itself out once I'm familiar with the different pieces of the whole. The main mistake I made was not having a very clear goal at the end other than just to learn to juggle 3 balls. Because I only did this in 8 days, I wasn't sure what to do next. Should I try to time it or count the catches? Is the point to do it for 30 days? Should I learn new tricks now? Should I keep going and try to juggle 5 balls? But really, I feel like I've already accomplished what I had set out to do, so it's time to move onward. And okay, now I'm actually leaving.